Hi, I am Shali Prasad Bechan from the Investment Directorate of the Ministry of Trade and Industry. As one of the frontline ministries within the government of Trinidad and Tobago, the Ministry of Trade and Industry plays a pivotal role in creating an environment to facilitate business and investment. Join us as we share with you some of the incentives offered by the ministry to support the development and growth of your business.
I'm Irfan Hosein from the Investment Directorate. Let's talk about fiscal incentives. Fiscal incentives are benefits granted to large-scale manufacturers and ICT companies under the provisions of the Fiscal Incentives Act, up to a maximum of 10 years. Qualifying projects must be significant investments that are expected to substantially contribute towards the economy. Approved enterprises enjoy total or partial exemptions from customs duties, value-added tax, and income tax on dividends or other distributions other than interest out of profits or gains derived during the tax holiday period. If you wish to find out more, give us a call or visit the TT Business online portal today.